how to choose how long to show messages that ask you to take action before it disappears on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility, then tap on advanced settings. Now in advanced settings, go down to the notification section and then tap on time to take action. In here you can choose default 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute or 2 minutes. This is the default here, so if I press on the volume button, you can see there is a volume controller appear under here. Now it will go away after 2 or 3 seconds. If we set it to 10 seconds, you can see this time it will wait for 10 seconds. As well as other pop-up notifications when it pop up on the screen. If you set it to 10 seconds, it will stay on the screen for at least 10 seconds before it goes away. And that's it. So select one of the options and then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.